Okay. I know this video isn't with face cam, but just trust me, okay? Oh, by the way, join my Discord server. Okay. Oh, what the frick? Okay. So, you can see how we were just spamming right there. So, I'm gonna unmute Rhys real quick. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for unmuting me. Finally, can I please explain what just happened?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
Discord, I don't know if, like, you're okay or not, but, like, seriously, I was just watching teens react to Five Nights at Freddy's, and then I get this insane. Okay, so there's this 0.1% chance that you will ever get this ringtone, and I got it 16 times in a row.
It's like a remix.
My video's in the description, but literally, I was like, okay, call me again, see if it happens.
And
it happened. She kept on doing it over and over, like. And I kept on getting the ringtone. Like, I swear, if I leave the call right now and then she calls me again, it might happen. Here,
okay.
let me.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Did you get it?
17 times in a row.
Oh my god, bro!
Please. And then Hannah was jealous, and then she was like, "Call me."
Like, call me. Oh my god. This is insane. What if it's like a disease and it spreads? Like to your friends list. Like, tomorrow I get it in the morning.
Discord is warning us of COVID.
Yes! But that's not funny. I shouldn't say that.
Yes. I'm
not gonna edit.
Just kidding.
I'm not gonna edit this video.
I'm playing the worst game in the world, Fortnite.
This is insane, though. Like, yeah, his video will
I'm
be in the description.
insane, Jarvis.
By the way, this video will probably like skyrocket and explode. I'm hoping, maybe.
No.
It won't. It won't.
I'm hoping that I get a million views, guys. Please smash that like.
It might actually, like, maybe like 400 views or something. Like, that's big.
400? I'm sorry. Do you call that skyrocket? Have you heard of a million?
A million.
Did you know one of Colin's videos has nearly 1,000 views?
Cool. Okay.
Cool.
Well,
yeah, Hannah. Hannah, you're getting disqualified. You don't.
I'm kidding. That's amazing. All right, so that's insane. Let me just do it again and see if he gets it. All right, let's just do this again. Oh, did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it?
I just missed the old ringtone. Please. Hold on. I need to add Colin to this. Hold on.
Oh my god. This is legit insane. Alright, I'm just gonna unpause the recording. Or pause the recording. I unpause it. Okay, we're just gonna add a friend into the group. Alright, so he has a friend named Colin. I know him. We're friends. So add a group between you and me, you and Colin. Okay, just close that. So this is legit insane. Like, this hasn't really happened before. There's only like 5 or 6 people who've gotten this ringtone out of over like a billion, maybe a million, maybe a billion people who use Discord, and that's pretty insane. Like, he's probably like the 5th person who's gotten this. Well, like, see, it's really weird. Yeah. Let me just call him again. Come on, pick up. Come on, please pick up. Please. Ugh, I might have to end the recording. This is just... Oh my god. This is insane. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna edit this video. It might suck. I'm really sorry. But guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah. Like, this is insane. Like, alright, bye.